Hi everyone, it's Thomas from Postfity team. Today we will talk about the group functionality and how to use it properly. First of all, you need to launch our app. Now you can see our dashboard. At your left you have a Groups tab. Click it now. The pop-up window will appear with the Add New Group option. Select your desired accounts and name the group properly. Keep in mind that the first letter of your group name will be displayed as a thumbnail. Click on the Add Group button. You can easily access your newly created group by clicking on the W thumbnail in the Groups section. You can easily create a new group. Just click on the plus button at your left under the Groups section. Let's say that I want to create a group with my private profiles only. Don't forget to name your group. It won't be possible to add a group without a name. The second group will appear just below the first one. If you will go to Settings, you can find one option about groups there. It's called Groups Auto Selection. It automatically selects all social accounts within the group when you change between them. Click on the tick button, save settings and check how it works. As you can see, as I click through the groups, all of the accounts in them are automatically selected. You can edit the groups by clicking on the blue Edit Group button. You can easily change the connected accounts or the name of the group. If you want to deselect or select all of the accounts from the group, you can use the Toggle button. It will be especially helpful if you have a lot of accounts connected to one group. You can easily search through the accounts in your group by using the Search button. You can delete a group by clicking on an Option button and selecting Remove Group option. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment this video or send us a ticket via the support panel in your platform.